Welcome to Weeshine Machinery. Weeshine Machinery is a professional manufacturer of the packaging machine. This is our semi-automatic filling and packaging machine. The machine be used for laundry detergent, rice, granular, feeders. The packing weight from 5 kg to 25 kg. Let's have a look. The machine together with feeding conveyor, it can complete the functions such as automatically feeding, weighing, manually bag giving, automatic filling, and bag sorting. The packing weight now is 5 kg. For other packing size and weight, it can be adjusted on touch screen. Wow, so it's amazing! If you have such packing products, please connect Weeshine Machinery. Weeshine Machinery is ready to provide suitable solutions and machinery for you. Thank you.